All right guys, another 4-month multi-unit hair grafting follow-up. This is obviously the before picture. Let's zoom in here a little bit. This is John. This was day of procedure. John's here to see us from out of state for his 4-month follow-up, part of the typical process after a procedure. Here he is, the man himself. John, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
Guys, have a look at this. Look at this hairline. Look at this. Look how natural this looks. Coming nice and close here. Absolutely love it. Multi-unit hair grafting gets us the most hair and the most coverage in a single procedure. Now, what we're looking at this stage is early to mid-stage growth. And what we want to see is the hairline reforming, which quite clearly, you can see it is. We've got a lot of coverage. So we got back to the front edge of the crown. What we do in a scenario like this is we talk to the patient about the benefits of a global approach, keeping what you've got and putting back what you've lost. The transplanted hair is genetically permanent. And if you're able to also do things to keep the hair that's not transplanted, you're going to have the best long-term global approach. And this is going to take 12 months to mature fully. So at this point, all of the hair that's growing is kind of at different stages of the growing cycle. Now, if we pause on the back here and we have a look at the harvest area, really, really hard to see where we harvested the hair from. Now, a lot of guys have a concern around the suture line in the back. Remember, with multi-unit hair grafting, it does leave a very pencil-thin fine suture line. We also do FUE. We do the artist robotic FUE. However, for areas of larger amounts of loss, this is often, most often, the most efficient use of your donor area by doing multi-unit hair grafting. Not for everybody, but for most people. More hair in one procedure, more coverage, and leaving the donor area in a situation where if a patient ever needs another procedure, we could go above or below where we harvested from last time, or go to a different procedure type. Again, before, 4 months after. Now, what we can expect here, guys, is that this will continue to thicken up right through until 12 months post-procedure. We'll see him again at 12 months. John, fantastic, obviously, super excited to see you. You commented, a couple of family members, people have made comments, obviously. Tell me about that a little bit.
Everyone has. When the hair first started growing back, I told my wife, I think this is just what I had originally. And then one day we actually pulled up some old photos and we were shocked.
It's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, you're getting up in the morning, looking in the mirror, getting ready to go, and you kind of forget how you used to look. But look, man, we really appreciate your business and trust. As I said, I know you come from out of state to see us. It means a lot to us. And guys, we'll continue to follow John throughout the process. But one more look at this new hairline coming in here. Fantastic. Congratulations, John. It's awesome.
Thanks, Darren.